What is influenza flu? Flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. It can cause mild to severe illness, and at times can lead to death. The best way to prevent flu is by getting a flu vaccine each year. The flu symptoms: influenza flu can cause mild to severe illness and at times can lead to death. Flu is different from a cold. Flu usually comes on suddenly. People who have flu often feel some or all of these symptoms: fever or feeling feverish, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, muscle or body ache, headache, fatigue. Some people may have vomiting and diarrhea. Throat. This is more common in children than adults.
How the flu spreads. Many experts believe that flu viruses spread mainly by tiny droplets that form when people with the flu cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can land in their mouths or noses of people who are nearby. Less often, a person can get the flu by touching a surface or object that has the flu virus on it and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes. How many people get sick with flu every year? A 2018 CDC study published in Clinical Infectious Diseases Journal, I can look at the percentage of the US population who were sick by flu using two different methods and compare the findings. Both methods had similar findings, which suggested that on average, about 8% of the US population gets sick from flu each season, with a range of between 3% and 11%.
Period of continuous you may be able to speak through two zooming as before you count you are sick and well as why you are sick. People with flu are most contagious in 3 to 4 days after infection. Some otherwise healthy adults might be able to interfere being one day before symptoms devils and the seeds today as bacon seeds. Some people, especially young children and people with weak immune system, may be able to infect others for an ever longer time. Onset of symptoms: the time for when person is exposed and infected with flu to prevent system being about 2 days with care for 1 to 4 days.
People had high risk from flu. A young congenital flu event. Healthy people had serious problems related to flu. Some have had any again, but some people had ring of developing serious flu-related complications if they had seeds.
The immunity challenge. No wonder we don't have a remedy for the common cold or flu. Instead, it's up to your immune system to help fight back. How a virus thinks. The immune system is designed to monitor, recognize, and even remember the virus and take steps to eliminate it when a virus invades healthy cells. The immune system does this by releasing chemicals that activate virus-fighting cells, which are then sent out to kill enemy.
When the influenza pandemic, most scientists and doctors believe it caused by bacteria, killing up to 100 million people worldwide. The pandemic was the deadliest in history. This drove many researchers to investigate and study influenza, searching for the cause and cure. When a young physician from Iowa, Richard Shop, turned his attention to swine influenza, while researching at the Rockefeller Institute for Medical Research. Shop took lung samples from infected Iowa pigs. He was able to isolate the rod-shaped bacterium that seemingly was to correlate with the influenza when the bacterium was injected to other pigs, though it did not harm disease.